So in regards of W coin listing, W coin are gonna be hitting to the market like on 29 April. So we don't know like what is happening in the W coin journey. So the listing is very closer. The listing is ahead, but there is no announcement regarding that listing. So before we go direct into our video, if this is your first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload the video. So as you can see, like here, you say that get ready criteria update, get ready to claim. Made we have just added one new requirement to the airdrop tab. So every completed step gets you closer to claiming your W coin in April 29. So I'm thinking like they are going to using a token table to claim our token. Maybe we are going to trade our token on the like decentralized exchange for a ton, like since they are going to launch our token on ton. So let's dive into our W coin Telegram mini app so that we can see what is happening regarding the W coin listing. So to be fully eligible for the W coin Telegram mini app, so all you need to do is to have at least a 3 active referral. So as you can see, like in this pool criteria, which is connect on wallet, have at least 50 tags, have 10,000 tabs, have at least 100 WAI, and buying a 3 W skins, and often a 20 treasure chests. So the last one is to have at least 3 active mate or buying a W Galaxy. So buying a W Galaxy, it is not a financial advice for you guys, so I will not advise anyone to put his money like in any airdrop right now in the situation that we are, because like so many airdrop have been liquidating people, like they just come to gather a money and just go aside so that they've been benefitable for the community, so don't be part of their liquidity. So as part of this section, which is airdrop, so here is what I want to show you. Like in this have at least 3 active mate or buying a W Galaxy. So me, I didn't buy a W Galaxy. I have 3 active referrals that used to participate in this W coin airdrop. So like WAI must be the one of the most criteria that are going to increase your airdrop whenever they are going to calculating. So please don't forget to claim your WAI, because it has a very important, so as we know. So since they put it in the criteria, so anything in the project, like if project counted in criteria that you are going to be getting the airdrop or being eligible, so definitely you have to take that serious, because it has to increase your airdrop. So regard of W coin taxes, so the W coin tax is like a part of the YouTube tax. So YouTube tax must be one of the most major tax that are going to increase your airdrop whenever they are going to given the airdrop. So you have to be like fix the time so that you can come and complete the YouTube taxes that are going to increase your airdrop. So with that being said much, if this is your first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. Thank you.